Hello, today I'm here to demonstrate a fire blight testing kit that can be used in the orchard. I am using the agar strip by bioreba.ag. Their website is www.bioreba.ch. You can also find this brochure, which I have developed, on our website, the ConLab Cornell University Database of Apple Diseases. So to start, the kit comes with a buffer solution and a large bottle and the testing strips. Today I have pre-measured the solution into 3/4 teaspoon allotments, which is also equal to 4 cc's or 4 mils. So first we will need to do is collect our suspected disease material from the field. So here you can see obvious symptoms that look like fire blight. So what you simply need to do is take approximately an inch of material from where the dead material meets the live material. So you'll see, get about this much stem is plenty to give you a result. You will then do is provide a sandwich bag, or you can also buy from their website their special sample bags. So you basically do is add your sample to the sandwich bag, add your liquid buffer, and then simply macerate with a hammer. Once that is done, you will just need to collect some of your sample solution. Today I'm just using a little Dixie cup. So you need to take care that when you insert your strips that this green arrow is down and that you do not have the solution above this green arrow. So then you simply set your strip in and wait for the results, which takes about 15 minutes for this kit. This is an example of a negative result. You'll see one red line towards the top. This is a sample showing a positive result. You'll see 2 red lines. You also may use is ooze or canker, ooze you'll see out in the field. You can simply do is take and rub that ooze off the plant material, mix it again in your 3/4 teaspoons of buffer, add it to your cup, and insert your strip again for your 15 minutes. An alternative also is if you have very barky material, what you can do is skim off the bark using a scalpel or razor blade, skim off the bark tissue, and then simply collect about 5 little pieces of the cambium layer. Then you can add that directly to your solution in a sandwich bag and macerate again with your hammer. So again, you can visit our website at the Cornell University ConLab Database of Disease Apples for this brochure and more information on this kit. Thank you.